Hey Kipsters! Happy Wednesday. I hope you had a good Memorial Day. Um, Yesterday we looked at the first day of our climate change, Earth's Changing Climate Unit. And some key concepts that we saw was although there are many fluctuations, meaning ups and downs, there is a trend toward increasing temperatures and decreasing ice on Earth since 1880. Remember, yesterday we looked at this graph and it showed us that even though it was going up and down and up and down and up and down, there is a clear trend in increasing temperature. And we also looked at that the increase in temperature was by 2 degrees Fahrenheit. So overall, yesterday, what I really wanted you guys to understand is that there has been a 2-degree increase in temperature since 1880, and it's continuing to increase. And this is what we call Earth's changing climate or climate change, or some people use the words global warming. Today we're going to continue looking at this unit, and we are actually going to be looking at um, why does this happen? So we have already addressed that there is a trend happening in climate change, right? But why does this happen? So you'll see this note right here. Yesterday we learned that there is an average global temperature rising of 2 degrees Fahrenheit in the past 100 years. But why is this happening? So we're going to look at the atmosphere. We are going to look at something called greenhouse gases, and we are going to look at 4 different gases that affect our Earth and our atmosphere. I'm going to be honest with you, this lesson is a little lengthy. I didn't mean for that to happen, but I just, there was a lot to get in here. So please make sure that you are, watching the videos. I know that you probably are tired of hearing my voice these past couple of days, but just make sure that you're watching the videos so you can understand the lessons, and make sure that you're reading all the questions. And please reach out if you have any questions.